A complete guide to writing research projects for nursing, rehabilitation, healthcare scholars and professionals. This important article is authored by the following scientists. Purpose and scope. This guide provides a framework for healthcare professionals navigating the research process from conceptualization through dissemination. It equips nursing, rehabilitation, and healthcare scholars with practical methodologies for conducting effective research at any experience level. Content and structure. The guide addresses research fundamentals, topic selection, question formulation, literature review, methodological approaches, study design, sampling, ethics, implementation, data collection, analysis, resource management, and dissemination strategies, reporting, presentations, publication. Target audience and value. This resource bridges knowledge gaps by providing guidance for both novice researchers with limited scientific backgrounds and experienced scholars seeking methodological refinement. By integrating research principles with practical examples, it enables readers to develop critical competencies, engage with scientific literature, and contribute to healthcare knowledge and practice. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel BP International to watch more videos in the fields of science, technology and medicine.